case, trying to find a warm place to spend the night. Heavy rain falling. See, now I hear your voice calling, saying, baby, it's alright. But it's a rainy night in Georgia. It's a rainy night in Georgia. I feel like it's raining all over the world. Feel like it's raining all over the world. Neon signs flashing, taxi cabs and buses running through the night. The moaning of a distant train brings a sad refrain into the night. But it's a rainy night in Georgia. A rainy night in Georgia. I feel like it's raining all over the world. Like it's raining all over my world. How many times have I wondered? Still it turns out the same. No matter how you think of it or you look at it, you still got to do your own thing. So I find me a place in a boxcar and I take my guitar to spend the night. And late at night when I can't rest, I hold your picture to my breast and I feel fine. But it's a rainy night in Georgia. Such a rainy night in Georgia. I feel like it's raining all over the world. I feel like it's raining all over the world. I feel like it's raining all over my world. Raining all over